Currently, we're in the car and it's a little switch. Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi vlog! Are we gonna be famous? Me you eating? Hi. You can ask Nina if she wants to say hi to the vlog.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Summer rain on the window.
Hi guys, we're at the beach. Yeah. Today we're gonna have a beach day with my friends from school. Is this? Hi guys, I'm at the beach right now with my friend.
You vlogging? I wanna be in it.
I want to eat it.
I don't want to be in it. Why am I here? Why?
Which one do you want? Can I get one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you see yourself?
Melania, that head is blocking my head.
It's so sunny right now. Wait, I look kind of cute. Nice. The weather's nice today.
I think I'm gonna take my clips.
I'm taking this hat from me.
Guys, she's literally the definition of like SoCal girl. Her Crocs,
My Crocs,
her Pacific,
my Hollister shorts, and my packs on top, and my H&M jacket.
Aren't these palm trees so cool? Like, I've never seen one in my life. I love palm trees. It gives me such California vibes. I've never been here before.
They don't have any of these in the boonies.
They don't have Spider Surf Shop in Alabama.
In Oklahoma.
Kansas. This is our food. We got a poke bowl with tuna and salmon, and then a bunch of coffee.
Wait, I'm so fucking. Do you want to mix it around first?
Mix it around in that shape?
A little bit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Is this for the vlog?
Yeah, this is for the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Fuck the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. You look very SoCal right now.
And my Instagram handle right here.
And then you should follow.
Instagram handle up here.
Follow my Instagram at Broken Glass Taste.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna soak my feet. Oh my god! I love the beach.
Expose your toes.
I expose my toes all the time. Do that!
We're free.
You guys are so cute.
Thank you. We know.
They're over there. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Right
go
now,
Chris, after?
let's get it after. Right now, we're gonna go get acai at this place. Woo! This is our acai bowl, and Milan's holding it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Dang, she's pretty. Whatever.
Do you want to say?
I gotta try. Are they filming?
Yeah.
Hello, I'm one of the biggest Hongies fans. Hongies! I've been her subscriber since 6th grade. So we're at we're at the beach right now. This is North High's president.
Whoa, too close.
Kayana
We gotta maintain good reputation, okay?
I'm having a crusty face.
I'm having
Hi guys, I really don't know who these people are. Like, why are they here?
Hello?
What are they doing?
I've been friends with her for all these years, and now she's saying she doesn't know me. I don't know.
Look, Sharon.
Ew. Whoa!
Right? Like, you can go like.
Do you want a hug?
Yeah! Dang, got the best bite just to have her take it.
Wait, you want to take a photo?
Want to put my Instagram follow here?
What?
Instagram photos here.
Oh!
I took one. I took one.
Hana, come here.
It looks bad anyway. Damn.
Get a.
Your butt is too fat. Oh my.
Thank you. I'm working on it.
No, it's flat AF. No, I'm just kidding.
I know. Like I have that one photo where my butt is like, no, it's paper.
No, it's like indented. Like
It's kind of
inverted.
to edit this out, yeah.
Her butt's flat.
No,
Guys, her butt's flat.
So pretty.
And I don't know if this is love.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love.
Sunset.
No, it went from 1K to 10K, or it's from 10K to 1K or to 9K.
9K?
Damn, I'm like stuttering. Yeah.
He has a better camera than me, guys. This
do.
is Daniel's DSLR.
Yeah.
Nice. Hello, guys. How are you feeling today? Yeah. Shut up. Yeah, you're supposed to support small creators.
I don't.
Fuck small creators.
Only watch the ones that I'm in.
I watched one.
So like the most recent.
The Weekend in My Life one?
One of her videos.
Hi, guys.
Recording.
I was told.
I'm at the beach and they made like a huge hole.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go guys, come on.
Yeah. Get your approach.
Oh!
That's the step approach, dude.
The sunset is so pretty. We're gonna go now. Bye, guys. This is the end of today's beach vlog. Today was a successful day.
Very.
Yeah. I didn't vlog a lot, but do you want to say bye? I'll take an aesthetic video. Hold up. Oh, you can't see the sunset.
His face.
Can you take an aesthetic photo of me walking?
You guys want to wave to my video?
Your vlog?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, Hongans vlog.
Hey, hongies.
Over here, you can see a wild melon.
She's not even putting on socks.
Oh, Vietnamese style.
No, for real. That's so true.
Milan, don't even tie your shoes.
She's putting on. Who knew running was big for my heart? I'm dead.